How to copy logo from Google to MS Word. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy a logo from Google to MS Word. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is search for a random logo. Now you can search for whatever logo you want. I'll just select the one at the first. So there are two ways you can actually copy this, or you can use this on your MS Word. First is by right clicking on the image right from the Google and tapping on copy image. After you do that, you can head over to your MS Word, and then paste it. After that, you can resize this. Let me maximize that. And then you can simply resize this like this, and yeah, you're good to go. Now the second method is by simply downloading this image. Now by doing this, you'll have better quality of the logo. So you can save this image. After you save the image, you can head over to your MS Word. Let me just put this side by side, and I'll just drag this and drop it right here. Doing that, I'll just have placed this image. Now let me just change that again, since this image is just being downloaded. So I can just drag it and drop it like this. So okay, so let me just head over to this file location, and from here now you can copy this image. So you can copy this by tapping on the three dots, or you can simply import this as well. So yeah, there we go. Now maximize this again and just use this like this. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.